Hello folks, so I'm trying my first session of hydroponics. So I have a growing light with full spectrum light that's basically shining on my seedlings. One I felt was actually better than the other two, or other three I should say. One of them is not doing so well. But this one I feel like is doing well, so I'm gonna try to use hydroponics for it. It's kind of funny because these little seedlings were growing straight up before, but as soon as I gave them a light source, they immediately started turning and growing towards the light. So I may have to rotate these every once in a while just to kind of see if they'll grow more straight. There was 2 seeds put in this Rockwool, so I might have 2 lettuces, essentially, lettuce heads trying to compete. I may have to take one out if that's the case. These other 2, or well 3, are doing okay, but I question whether or not they're gonna survive. So that's it. Oh, this is actually a 2-liter bottle with some hydroponic mix. Underneath I have a towel, a cotton towel that goes all the way down to the reservoir. It's wet, so it'll continue staying wet and hopefully keep this guy hydrated enough. And I put foil around it so that it would stop algae from growing as well. So we'll see. Probably gonna have to check in on it next week.